So you're a Tuggy. What really go on around on the ends when I'm with you, Brandon and Shotfoot? What really take place? Why Shotfoot shot the youth? Brandon a good youth, so I don't know. No farmer mix up with Brandon inner with nobody at all. So talk up quick and fast and make we know what really go on and who say no.
Boy, after something I know what go on still in a big man levels, you know. I know my dep on the ends and I do see her be a shot fire, be a police, burn down and drop. And then the next thing me know is a shot foot get lick where I'm in the day and the more if you said nothing. Somebody ever told no one what go on officer, big man you does.
That your mouth make you say youth. So you really come around here, sir, come chat them bag of foolish this here in a man is. Hey boy, Shotfoot, my man for all the head and slam it on the grill right this you know. About that with the foolishness. So just talk up and tell man what go on. Let me give you like a small hint. I don't know if you did know still now. It's a CCTV camera footage. We have it. Yeah man, so not talk the right thing. And make us see where can go on to see if we can sink who we really want to sink. Because you're not nobody now. Nobody know what same you got jail, you know, because you're like a small fry. You need to help to take down the big fish. That's what you need to do. And if you don't help we, God help you because you and him literally are steer 35 to life in its face. So you decide what you want to do. Is either you want to go a road, but you want to easy work with a girl, or you want to go a prison. You go lie down in a cell with one bag of man. You decide.
Judge God, officer, you don't have to take it so far still, you know. Judge God. Officer, you're a master. We can't know what our reasoning, but I want to talk to my lawyer first, officer. I really want to talk to my lawyer first. Because I want to make sure it's anything what Michael said to you right now worthwhile to me. Because in times like these, die man for die oneself. So I want to talk to my lawyer before me can have a serious reasoning about everything.
Yo, Brown, you know, second them no mean to interrupt your interrogation with a big eager criminal boy, you know. But guess what? We just get back a report from the young squaddy there when we send them to the hospital. They call it Bramban report. We get everything what we need for sink that cockroach am in boss. Further down in the beach, more than which part I'm even there right, you know. So now worry yourself, man, big idiot boy, Tuggy. You don't get what's coming to you because you see, well, Bramban said happen. Or that alone you run a one for year, man. I remember me tell you, 35 to life. Sure.
General Star Officer. So Brandon really called my name, so I want to take him life. Judge God. General Star. Hear me answer that squaddy. Make all that reasoning. Make a talk. Because right I know, me know I should go to prison for them one, you know. And this thing I look like it I got to take a serious turn. So squaddy, make all that reasoning.
Oh, okay. So you finally get some sense in your big head. Anyway, we should go on and our run on the ends. That are we interested to hear about.
General Star Officer, I don't know what go on, but I don't feel good. I want to do the PP Officer, General Star. I don't forget to use the bathroom officer, and I got car taste still in about channel. I forget to use our fire bathroom first. Please, officer, really right. I beg you one, really right. Right, you know. Belly, I cut me, officer. I don't know what go on, but Judge God, I don't feel good.
Fake friends, they sell me out. Too much time. All this lesson I do, I just teach me how to see I'm blind. But guess what happened? Good have to suffer for the body I know. Can't even tell what my brother know. So me I kick it with myself a little bit. Yeah man, I just I kick it with myself.
Good morning, Brandon. How are you feeling this morning?
Morning nurse. I know so I'm just there. I'm just there still I go and hold it. I go and tough it out through the pain and suffering, but I'm not too bad still.
Okay, Brandon, that is very good to hear. I also have some very good news for you. I just spoke with the doctor and he informed me that you will be discharged at 4 p.m. today. So you can get yourself and get your things together because you will be discharged. I looked at your charts, I looked at your x-rays and everything is going to be okay. You will have 100% full recovery. So you will be just fine, Brandon. The bullet, it went right through. So there was no lodgements, no damage to any internal organs. So you will be fine. Okay, Brandon? You will be fine. All you need to do is just stay home, get some rest, stay off legs, and make sure to take care of the wound and don't get it infected, okay?
Okay, nurse. Now I hear you. I hear you still, man. I listen to you perfectly well. I hear you perfectly clear. I hear you.
Laris, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive my son for not sounding a bit more appreciative. He's going through a lot right now, nurse, and his mind is just not in its right place, so please forgive him.
It's okay, Mom. I totally understand. I'm pretty sure this is a very traumatic experience for him, so I get it. I understand.
John Star, I don't know what kind of bad feelings this just overtake my body just so, you know. My belly just start, cut me just so, charge of God. Right now, I don't even know what to do. I don't know what is to find myself, you know. Because if I not go get the police, them I go to reasoning at 35 to life. And anyhow, I go say the wrong thing to them. I know better than stay. I know the general head plug out more time. And them just get corrupt on no business, you know. I have my woman and pick you out the road the star. And I know is a man where we send man go lick them well quick and fast. All my mother, Chano star. What is me get myself in a door, God? Jaja.
So what kind of question the police boy them ask around there? What you tell them, say boy Tuggy? Make sure say you hold it in the dark. And about sell out the thing, you know. Just make sure.
No man, my G man, we are talking about man sell out what? You don't know some man a real soldier, my general man. We are talking about. Me nala sell out the general. No day, no how. You don't know some my thing loyal. Right, yes, so we are talking about my general. But with them an argument them man. Man a real G them man. Man can hold it. Furthermore, when time them ask my question around there, I mean give them the right answer. I lick the man lick up all need and wall star and I just wall out like a G and just know say yo, anything or anything but me nah sell out the general. You don't know say me you think different in my general. Me loyal to a fault, just like Sean Storm to cartel. And me and you think that my boss. So me no want you to think along a certain line in our G. You don't know. Loyalty until the end.
Boy, Father God, me no know what kind of predicament this me find all myself in, you know. Me say me shame like a dog when Brandon run me. But him not wrong. Me no know how me get so hopeless for lie down with all common criminal like better than. How me get wet for better than in the first place. Ashley had never them type of girl, you know. Me no know how Ashley gets so hopeless in her life. Right now, me regret every single thing me do. Me no know how me go get back in a Brandon good book. And furthermore, me never know how me go face better than from this. Because me know same good a feeling in my mind see me tell Brandon, you know. And right now, him good a want take out my little 3 pints. Send him like a bad man friend them come shot me. Me no know, Father God, how me do get out of this. Me never know what Brandon tell all the police them say because Brandon might implicate me in this and me go to end up a jail too. See there, killy, shot foot, all of them gone. See there now, better than they are jail. See there now, Tuggy they are jail. So me never know what really I go on right now, Father God, but please God, help me out of this one. If you take me out of this one, Father God, me promise to me change my life. Hello?
You actually, you romance me. I jump out of the hospital in a few hours, you know, I left here so probably about 4 or 5 o'clock. I used to when me come at the house, me no want to see you. Yeah, your things them for pack up and left my place. You romance girl, me no want to see you when time I reach my yard. Me no want you come nowhere at all near me. Furthermore, I got call all the police and to take out a restraining order. Me no want you come nowhere near me as long as life lasts. You wicked girl. You wicked girl. You feel say me I got ever forgive you? If you know say you set me up with them boy, if them boy they shot me, me coulda not dare today in a wicked girl. You see girl like her alone. Just wait, man. Just wait, man. Just make sure so when time me come on my yard, you will not dead there. And even if you carry the key, me a change every lock. So you can come back nowhere near in this house here. You see, you wicked girl, remember me tell you, you gotta get what's coming to you too. Just watch and see, man. Just remember in a girl, God nah sleep, and God nah like ugly. And right now, you're ugly, bad.
Calm down, my son. Just calm down. Take it easy, no man. I'll know you not tell me a worry will happen between you and Ashley make you so angry at her, you know. Yeah, me know you tell me a little part of the story, but me need to know the fullness. Me need to understand what really happened.
Mommy, me never too want to talk about that wicked girl there, Ashley, mommy. Take man levels. The girl there, Ashley, coming like a Judas and Delilah in a one human body. Wicked girl, man. You know, say, mommy, the girl asleep with Badadan, and she knows say Badadan send Tuggy and shot foot for you. Take me like, you know, mommy. And the girl dead there and no one else say nothing. The girl sleeping at the bed with me the night. Wake up with me in the morning, know everything. I'll follow me go to the party. Mommy, the girl there did lie, me I tell you, mommy. Wicked heart. If wicked was ever a person, mommy, and you skip through the dictionary pages and I look for a picture to represent wicked, Ashley would definitely be it. Mommy, the girl wicked.
So your so-called brother bother them, and him set you up for the man and them come take your life. You see your life, honey? And the girlfriend where you love and respect and worship so much, she in a bed with Badadan, asleep with the enemy, and all of them plot together to take your life. Can you imagine, my son? You see how people wicked? That's why I want you, you know, to stay away from them dirty company there. And you see how it play out? I'm glad you're alright still, but I hope you learn from this one.
One thing what I really want to find out in a man. Why Badadan send shot foot and Tuggy if you come take my life? What me and him really have? Because right now, me totally clueless as to what really transpired. For Badadan pre me in such a way to the point where him send them two boy there to come take my life.